Okay, so now let's look at adding a loop in. So I'm going to go ahead and run a new program. I'm just going to copy these 4 lines over because I'm going to use them again. So I'm going to go to new file here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just paste these in because we've always got to have them. The import Minecraft, the import block statement, all right, our player position. And so now let's go ahead and see what we can do. And so in this one, we're going to build just a tower, a real simple tower, and then we're gonna set you free here. So we've got our position, okay, as we've been doing, and now we're going to go for a range. So this is a new line of code that we haven't messed with. For A in range, we're going to make this 50. You can make this any number you want. So this would mean our tower is going to be 50 blocks high. All right, and we're using a for loop, so it's going to count 50 times. And for this loop, it's really important that we have the colon at the end of the line. All right, and then this is going to indent. We talked about indent being really important in previous lessons. This is going to be huge because it's going to allow the indent, it's going to kick it back in so this for loop can keep counting. It's going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 50. And what it's going to do, it's going to MC set block, all right, our position, and we're going to go out 3 spaces just so we can see it. It doesn't build right on top of us. All right, our position dot y plus a. Okay, this is our loop for a in the range. So every time it counts through, a is going to start at 1, and then it's going to be 2, and then it's going to be 3. So it's going to take our y coordinates, all right, and it's going to keep adding to that 50 times, and that's how the blocks are going to build up vertically in our program. All right, and then we're going to keep our position z the same. And let's change our block ID. Let's make it something different. Let's go, let's make it, let's go glass. All right. So when we go to run this, we should have a 50-foot tower of glass. So let's go ahead and save as, and I'm going to call this Tower 50. All right, now let's go jump over to the Minecraft world and see what happens. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the glass in this, but boom, there it is, and you can see that it's instant. So if I jump up here, you can see how fast. I had 50 blocks built, boom, just like that. And so there is my glass tower of my Python coding. All right, so now the key is how do we start to build some ranges and start to build some structures. But before we do that, let me show you a couple other really awesome things.